Hey guys, we've got a Jeep Compass in, 2015 model. So the customer's just come in for our base model Linux head unit upgrade. So it's a 9-inch screen that goes in, gives you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all completely wireless. So we've also gone ahead and upgraded the reverse camera on this one as well. So reverse camera is just mounted into the factory position. This car does come with a factory camera, but on the Linux base, it doesn't actually support that. So we've gone and chucked in a HD aftermarket cam. So new custom fascia to fit the 9-inch screen, all fits like factory. All your air conditioning dials work perfect just down the bottom here as well. All nice and smooth and no issues at all. So just starting off on your home screen. So very basic unit, but it's good. Gives you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, completely wireless. So it's a budget friendly option, this one. So you still got your main AM FM radio. Main AM FM radio just there, so all your presets, all your station control just up the top there. Back to the home page, wireless Android Auto, so if you've got an Android phone, that's your choice right there. This one we've got CarPlay connected, so all your navigation, phone calls, music streaming, all just straight through there. Steering wheel controls also working, so no issue there at all either. Yeah, so if you're looking for a budget-friendly upgrade for your Jeep Compass, hit us up.